Hold on there, don't rush me. I am not a young man like I used to be. Don't rush me. Well, hello there, my good friends. My name is Titus William Wisdom, you see? Otherwise known as Tighty. And I am Dexter, grandfather. And I want to welcome you to the Pattern News Network coverage of the the World Championship. Run left them in Oregon. Now I was to ask my grandson, how is it that you putting on a World Championship coverage and you don't invite me onto the program to come and share my thoughts and come and share some of my expertise that I have? When I was a young man, I used to run the 100-meter dash. That is what them call it back in the day. And although I never win no race in my life, matter of fact, the most I ever come is last. At least I was running and I understand what it means to run and what it means to compete. So I have something to say regarding all that is going on at this World Championship, you see. But I was going to bust a dance when I come in. But then I remember that I have arthritis and I have back problems. And I remember my age. So I say, you know what? I leave the dancing, the stir fry, and the what the next one name? The bunks to all of the young people. When I do the young people thing, I will do the old man things, you see. I could watch a race, because I have little heart problems and I did nervous. So I say I'm going to watch the replay. But based on the noise that I hear my neighbor making, I know say Jamaica win the race. But I want to take a minute to big up Shericka and big up Shelly and also to big up Elaine. But we will go into that when we reach the recap of day 7. Alright? Hold on there. Mildred, pass the glove for the dentures for me. It feel like it a pull out of my mouth. I come to give you a recap of day 6 and day 7 of the World Championship over there in Eugene, Oregon. Hold on there, my grandson made a few notes. So on day 6 now, one young man who we have who are the new national record holder in the 800. Him never to qualify. Him get bunks in the race. But him said that never have nothing to do with him not getting through. But good try, young man. Next time you can try out again, you see. In the 400-meter hurdles now, we have one lady will qualify. Miss Rochelle Clayton. Now we know say you're on to the finals. But me want to ask you a question, Rochelle. Why you never dip for the line? Why you never dip for the line? You almost lose your place because you never dip. You run your personal best in the semi, But me asking that when you run the final, that you run right through the line. Don't give them no reason for you not get your medal. Run right through the line. We look forward to the 400-meter hurdles final. Run your best. But me have a question for you ask. In the 400-meter hurdles, some of the women them no look kinda man. What do you know what I mean, man? Manly. But that is none of my business. I am only here to talk about the races. Now onto the flat 400-meter. Stephanie McPherson and Candice McLeod make it through to the final. But the next question I want to ask. But I want to ask a question. Candice McLeod, she look like one of them super soldier. She look like say boy, she want bionic woman. In her glasses, she look very much like one Terminator. Hold on there, I don't mean nothing bad by it, I mean nothing bad, because I say she look very stoic. She look like somebody that you're not supposed to mess around with. But you know what? I am going to move on to the next thing, because I don't want to get myself into no trouble. Now onto the men's 400-meter. Christopher Taylor make it through to the final. Well done, Chris. You run a season best. We are look forward to a personal best in the final, you see? Now onto day 7. And I wonder if you didn't know. So one of my favorite singer, she run for Jamaica. Yes man, Adelle. She run and make it through to the final. Now Great Britain used to have it all. But now she start run for Jamaica. Hello from the other side. And also Miss Natalia Gould make it through to the final. We are look forward to a medal in the 800. It is going to be good. Now on to the big event that everybody in Jamaica was looking forward to. The 200-meter final. Ah boy, what a race it was, What a race it was. Boy, I really did hope so would I get the 1, 2, 3. Shericka, me know last year did disappointed, that you never make it through to the final after you do foolishness. But Shericka, we glad say you make it through to the final. And me I tell you, you did run. Shelly start out wicked, And Shelly did a run her red. But me say when Bingo catch her on the corner, mighty God of Daniel, nobody could catch her. She run down Shelly, run past her, and she run a championship record. Pick up yourself, Miss Shericka, and big up yourself, Shelly. And I want to make a special big up to Elaine. Because, you know, Jamaicans have short-term memory. We talk out of two sides of our mouth, you know. Last year we did a sing her praises when she run the double. And all of a sudden now, because she don't run and come third, or second, or first, something wrong. All of a sudden, she are not the best no more. But listen to me, Miss Elaine, I want to big you up. You did your best, but this time the best was not good enough. But we still want to big you up because you make it through to the final. We understand that you had an injury during the year, but we are look forward to the next season. But me also want to big up Miss Dina Asha Smith. Some of you might never know. Say Miss Dina Asha Smith, she Jamaican too, you know. Both of our parents are Jamaican. So we are claim the 1, 2, 3 same way. You don't think we easy? Thank you for forward back to the Pattern News Network, and we will catch you in the next one.